Hi, this is Carl Kruger of Qualitation, talking about the ISO 14001 Environmental Standard, Clause 7. Just as a gardener needs tools, fertilizer, and knowledge to thrive, an organization needs resources, training, and communication to support its environmental management system. 7.1 is about resources. Just as you can't plant a garden without tools or water, similarly, an organization needs adequate resources, primarily people, infrastructure, and finances. The consultant will achieve this by performing a resource gap analysis and recommends investments in training, technology, and infrastructure to support the environmental management system. Clause 7.2 relates to competence. Just as gardeners need skills, employees need environmental training to perform their roles effectively. If they don't understand what environment means, how can they take it into account as they work? The consultant will do this by designing training programs to ensure that employees have the skills and knowledge needed for EMS tasks, environmental management system tasks, including environmental regulations and sustainability practices. Clause 7.3 relates to awareness. Everyone in the team must know their role in maintaining the garden, in effect. Employees must understand their contribution to the environmental management system, what they're required to do, when they need to do it, how they need to do it, and why. The consultant will do this by designing awareness campaigns, including workshops and communication materials, to ensure employees understand their environmental responsibilities, both in general and specific for the particular role they're undertaking. Clause 7.4 relates to communication. Clear communication ensures that the team is on the same page, whether in a garden or in a business. Similarly, organizations must establish effective internal and external communications for environmental management system success. If something's going wrong in one part, other parts of the business need to know so that they can take lessons from that, or potentially even prevent it at their stage of the operation. Clause 7.5 relates to documented information. Just as gardeners keep planting records, organizations need documented information to guide the environmental management system processes and ensure compliance. Effectively, the reports of what's been done and what's happened. The consultant will help by organizing the environmental management system documentation to include environmental procedures, policies, and the compliance records. This way, someone looking at that documentation can understand what is supposed to happen, why, and what actually happened. And that combination then allows everyone to assess their capability in that subject.